What's up? What's up? What's up? Behind me back here, I got car parts on car parts. I got my rear diffuser that baby girl got me for Christmas. I bought a front lip and a spoiler. So we're doing a full G30 makeover. It's gonna seem weird at first because I'm gonna have a diffuser, a spoiler, a front lip. The car is gonna sound like a fucking vacuum. I'm heading to my boy's house because he has open space like in his driveway or like his road or anything. My mom took the driveway, so I don't feel like working on my road. I'll see y'all boys when I get there. That looks aggressive, bro. Doesn't that look aggressive as fuck? But like, I've never had such a big like spoiler before. I feel like right now it'll look out of place without the diffuser. I haven't even seen the diffuser yet, by the way. Bro, I don't even think we need the jack, bro. But as I'm driving here, bro, I'm in the car jamming, right? And I'm like, wait, how are we gonna prop the car up? I was like, no fucking way. Where are the ramps? Oh, oh my gosh, that's gonna be that's a big butt. No, hey, you take the camera. You take the camera.
What's the key?
The tow hook cover?
Yep. Minor malfunction.
So I got the alcohol in here, right? I'm gonna clean this part first. Put the 3M tape all over, bro. I'm talking like 1, 2, 1, 2, boom, boom, boom. Like I need that shit to stick. Cause God forbid I'm on fucking Garden State, and that shit fly off. I get charged for murder, bro. Are both the sides off already? Let me see the bottom. Bomba clap. All right, sides are off. So the best way I do it is I hold both ends to make sure they're both even.
Just tough. Just tough.
So what I do already? I took off this part, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so does this just pop off? So we're working with tail lights off. It was 2 screws here. We had to peel this back to get the last one right there. Next was the diffuser. This started off with those screws. Was literally one here. Just all the way down, you'll see the screws. And the next part was kind of hard, but we were scared we were gonna break the damn diffuser. But it's just unclipping the clips that it goes into from the side part, the top, all the way across. But now that bad boy's off. Now we got put on this bad boy. Yes, sir. As you can see, it's nighttime. What time is it, Junior? 6:06. We got the diffuser on here. But here's the issue. I have it connected, right? Let me see inside. Pretty much I have the white wire for the strobe connected to the green wire, which is power, right? And I have the black one obviously connected to brown because that's ground. Now I should have connected this red wire for power, but that didn't give me the strobe effect. So the issue was when this is connected to the green and the black's connected to the brown, when braking, what was it, just solid, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it was just solid. But now we swapped it so the white is gonna get power from the taillight power, which is the green one. I don't know, you guys can see right there. But the issue is, it's not on. It's only on when the car is braking. Let me see if I can prop this up. That's the bag done. I'm gonna see if I can pull out the camera when we head to the gym. I'll park underneath the light so you guys can see how the back looks. But whew, it's been a long time. How long has it been? 2 hours? Jesus Lord, now I have to put everything back together. But yeah, I'll see y'all. This looks nice. Let go. I didn't realize that I didn't like give you guys a proper outro. So let me show you the back of the car and how it looks. I just saw a comment on TikTok to fix that light. I looked up, you know, third brake light shits with the MT40s, 540s, and like pretty much like similar similar models. I gotta fix the wiring on the back of it. But I mean, yeah, don't mind how dirty the car is, bro. Need to get a wash. I think once I get the wash, it should be straight. But this looks great, yo. Yo, what's up? I forgot when we did the installation. It's snowing like kind of hard, but it is what it is. I'm gonna just show you how the fucking exhaust came out. We did fix the wiring on it. That's how we looking. It stays on now entirely when the car is on, and then when it breaks, obviously it does the flashing. But that shit, bro, that shit looks so nice. Get back in his car, but it's cold as shit. I'm gonna throw up the comment of this guy on TikTok. He was the one that told me how to fix it. And when you guys see the term yellow, my diffuser, instead of having a yellow cable, it had a white cable, and the white was specifically for the flashing. So if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's he did black, the negative with the brown, that's your ground, and for red, instead of plugging that into the brake harness, which is the green one next to brown for my G30 owners, he plugged in the flashing portion to the green. So what the green pretty much does is anytime that you're braking, that's when it's gonna generate that power for the flashing portion on the diffuser. And the red, I tapped into the purple wire. The purple wire is going to be constant. That's always on. So that's why you're seeing that's always on. And you're also seeing that when I brake, it flashes. Pretty calm, pretty nice. I love how it looks. But yeah, I wanted to actually like properly give you an outro on the video. I got big things coming soon, bro. Huge things. Next Thursday, ooh, my exhaust comes in. No more vacuum noise. None of that. Hold on, let me. No, it doesn't sound bad.
Wrong.
Like I said, man, keep God in your life. Make sure God's number one. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can. It's just life, bro. Life be lifing. But yeah, I'll see y'all. Peace.